But when Allah manifests His glory and His power, then وَيُدْعَوْنَ إِلَى السُّجُودِ, and they will be called to do sajda. When people see the glory of Allah, people are going to fall in sajda. But these people, فَلَا يَسْتَطِيعُونَ, even though they're going to be called to sajda, they won't be able to do it. Allah will not give them the ability to do sajda, even when His glory is manifest. خَاشِعَةً أَبْصَارُهُمْ, their eyes are going to be filled with terror. خَاشِعَةً أَبْصَارُهُمْ تَرْحَقُهُمْ ذِلَّةً, humiliation and burdens. Burdens, back-breaking, back-bending burdens are going to get piled over and over and over them, one after the other. Rahaq is layers of burdens. Rahaqahul amr, they say when you have too many problems and you're buried under them. Rahaq, this issue buried him. He can't deal with it. Tarhaquhum dhilla, these back-breaking burdens are going to stack up on top of them. وَكَانُوا يُدْعَوْنَ إِلَى السُّجُودِ, and these وَقَدْ كَانُوا يُدْعَوْنَ إِلَى السُّجُودِ, and these were the very people that used to be invited to do sajda. They used to be invited to put their pride down. وَهُمْ سَالِمُونَ, and they were well and sound. They were totally fine. They were completely capable of doing so. فَذَرْنِي, meaning Allah says now they're impaired, right? Now they're paralyzed, they can't make sajda. But they were salim before, they were totally fine before, when they had the option of making sajda. فَذَرْنِي, then leave me. وَمَنْ يُكَذِّبُ بِهَذَا الْحَدِيثِ, and whoever lies against this speech, whoever calls this speech a lie, leave me and him. You know, this leave me is actually one of the worst manifestations of anger. Allah says, leave me with this one, let me deal with him myself. SubhanAllah. سَنَسْتَدْرِجُهُمْ مِنْ حَيْثُ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ, we will raise them rank by rank by rank, take them up the ladder little by little by little, from where they won't even know. Well, this concept of istidraj is something that got coined in Islamic philosophy, and scholars talk about it often. Daraja in Arabic is to go up the stairs. Daraka is to go down the stairs. So when you're going levels and levels and levels lower, then daraka. Now, nastadrijuhum is to slowly take someone up the ranks. So this guy has wealth, Allah gives him more wealth, more power, more status, more wealth, more power, more status. And the more wealth he gets, the more sins he does. The more power he gets, the more sins he does. The more opportunity he gets, the more evil he does. And Allah says, do it, go ahead, do it. Take more, take more, take more. We will bring them up. And by the way, the higher up you go, and then the ladder is pulled from underneath you, the harder your crash. So Allah says, leave me with him. Let him do some more. Let him dig his hole deeper. مِنْ حَيْثُ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ وَأُمْلِي لَهُمْ, and I will fill them with hope. I will fill them with hope. And I will give them extra time. Amla yumli also means I'll give them extra time. Inna kaydi mateen. My plot, my plan and my scheme against them is powerful. It's unbreakable. Mateen is used for they say hablun mateen, a rope that can't be cut. A rope that doesn't break, like the anchor to a ship. It doesn't break, that's mateen. Okay? So, inna kaydi mateen, my plan is undamageable.